Good evening. Well, it's turning colder over this weekend. We're still under the influence of high pressure though, and that is staying into next week as well. But a very strong northeasterly wind with us now overnight and into tomorrow. Gusts of up to 45 miles an hour quite possible, and a few clear spells into the early hours, so a nighttime temperature of 1 Celsius. But a very cold day in store tomorrow. We've got Arctic air sitting over us, and it's going to give us quite a wind chill into the afternoon with the strength of that northeasterly wind. I think feeling more like 1 or 2 Celsius if you're out and about. Just a quick reminder though tonight to put your clocks forward 1 hour because we are marking the start of British summertime.